Menta ka sngi ka lai photorik jeliu arajar ar pholai ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo kalayo ban pli ka Computer Science Laboratory ka bla bay pisa Lyngba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund 2021-2022 badru kalayo ban penkup buro mi ki samla pule ka ni ka school ki bla pass bha ka examination SSLC but HSSLC bala pinlong de ka Meghalaya Board of School Education House nam arajar ar pholai ha ka ni ka sngi lawan menshim benta da uba Meral Bonds MLA ka Nongpo constituency kum ukongsan ha ka jingnia don ringkat u BDO ka Umling Senardi block uba Eric Kelvin Khar ka Kong Paidelin El Nonglait District School and Education Officer Ribhoy District kinong Penyaj School kinong Hikai ki khna school bat kiwe de.
Sections, please. We all give them a big round of applause. We call upon Safirul Lyngba guests to please hand over the memento and the certificate as well to Safirul, who secured 18th position in the SSLC examination.
Habakran ha kadai ka jing alang ki nongkran ki lapen pau hi ka jing kemen bakum ka school kalayo ban pli ka computer laboratory ka bakhampa ka bat nakaliang MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds ula ai khuble ki samla ki bla tre shitom ha ki jing pule bat bakinyo ya ka ni ka burom udo kenturu bakin nang yai minat ha ki jing pule ula benrap ru bakum unong mi khmat udon ka jing kermen baki samla na ribhoy kin kiu shakmat bat shaprang nakaliang MLA ka Nongpo constituency ula ai khuble ru ya menteri rangba ka jella ukon rat ke sangma ubla kloi banno ya kane ka jinga rapsha kane ka school ka balong kum shi benta ban kintiu ha kaliang jingnang jing start kham tam ha ka juk start joki core computer.
I was part of the academic background, so we are gathered here today in the midst of gems, I would say, in the midst of precious gems who have shown through their dedication and their hard work, and also to felicitate the meritorious students and also to celebrate the inauguration of the computer laboratory here in the school. Firstly, I would like to mention a little bit about the facilitation of the meritorious students. Like Walter Byton had said, when you're good at something, you will tell somebody about it. But when you excel at something, people will talk about you to others. So here we are celebrating your dedication and your hard work and also your consistency in ensuring that you bring name, you bring pride, not only to yourself, but to your school, to your parents, to the region and to the district and the state as a whole. And today is a day of celebration of your hard work. It gives us immense joy and hope for the future that people, students of this region also are stepping towards ensuring that there is a future for, and you are setting an example for the rest to follow. And it's a pleasure to be surrounded by such God-gifted talent, and I can see here so many faces that can be the future of our district, of the school firstly, and then of the district and of the state as a whole. And I just would like to mention one thing for those students who have managed to overcome the challenges, that you continue with your hard work, you be consistent, and the results will come. Results are always part of your hard work, and you please continue to do so. And for the ones of you who will be appearing for these exams, please take heart from your seniors who have done so well, and please ensure that they set an example for you, and please ensure that you follow their footsteps. And there's always help around. Your amazing teachers are here, your very supportive principal and the entire staff is all here. So please use all that, and now you have the computer lab also that will bring you closer to the world. So please ensure that you use all these facilities, all these human resources to bring you not only to yourself but also to the entire region. And for the computer lab, we fondly remember Madam S.S. Blah, who aspired to ensure that education is taken to another level.
Anong niya ka school sikisien, but din madwa niya long Kristen, at din gidong play ka on, ba ngan kmiet gala tikmat sikilu, nang no kanwan witingerap jongan. Kalau orang kebahagiaan hamdan, ada orang kuat yang ke education. Ngarang kemiat lagi kemat cutrai dan berurang, ya kajing tu, kajing terang, kemensian kejongan. Kalau dah boleh jam subhan, ya kajing Kristen kajong pi, principal, but dan mereka ban pendiu yang ni ke education, yang ni ke school. Oleh siang semua, wadah beli di beneng, bahkan hal jadi berku hangin hari boy. Lyngba. Segala yang buat menang pergi kena sekolah, kat cebalan, kat cebayan, yo iya kajing jelai yo kajing senil. Bukuma
Makin pas makin kelat lu dikejar di sini, karam kesah, bersih nak bertahan kesah ini. Kelat lu di kita, di kemen program kun pas. Nah, di bawah kongsan. Kalau kongsan kalau habo hivi, ya kan ni sekmat. Hin semua bahagian kerma pendia. Lalu dalam AI lancar sisniru. Waktu kelat jadi kini pagi. Kibala tristom, kibala pun, kibala khar, pensan, akor, keborong, diputih, wanu kelen. Kita syukur ki, Skul ki jungi lene, kibala pas, kibala tre, kam, her, adalah yang position kekamai kaji ni kelen no, ini kini kipa, kontam kibala demen, kam jude, kam ne, kapan burung, ini kini kipa dah gilong, hagan kom. Lalu kita di background di bagi hewan kan, sering apa kurang. So student, it is very important and we have to remember that we have been blessed with a very beautiful constitution in our country that we should not forget. The constitution has been framed in such a way that we have every right to fight, that we have every concern to show for our right. The constitution that has been framed under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, it is beautifully crafted, and we, as the largest democracy in this world, we still survive despite of more than 1.4 billion population. Still we are one. A very important message is that despite of different castes, religion, creed, language, whatever we represent, but we are one. That is important. We are one in this country, we are one in this state, we are one in this district. We are together. We have to build this nation, we have to build this beautiful state, we have to build our district, we have to build Nongpo. So that lies on you, the future generation. And we should uplift and we should remember. And I would like to sincerely request each and every one of you, please raise your hand, those who read Constitution of India.